It's never simple for people to see their cars damaged in a catastrophe, faded by ruthless sunlight, or rusted by the elements. As a skilled auto body technician, you can be the one to refurbish those cars. The Auto Body Repair and Refinishing program can show you how to turn that interest into a rewarding career. You will learn sheet metal and welding techniques, body alignment, finishing and painting, cost and time estimating, plastic, fiberglass and measuring systems, and shop management. Work with industry standard equipment and turn your studies into a promising career at Auto Body Repair and Refinishing.